gosh, this is
We're back.
It's actually kind of good, by the way.
Jeez, I'm really hungry. I'm gonna check what's in the freezer.
Oh my gosh, check out this. Check out this.
Guys!
What?
Guys! What? You may want to see this. Oh my god!
Shut it! Shut up! Return my soul.
Shut it! Wait, why is she floating?
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm scared.
Guys, we gotta get out of here. Let's go.
Jeepers!
This way, guys. This way. Watch your step. Guys, come on. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here.
Watch your step.
Watch your step. Our getaway van.
Our mystery machine.
Y'all come back to me. I'm gone. You're like, guys, where did she go?
Tatum, where are the keys?
Tatum? 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 We need to go. We need to go get her. Guys, it's locked.
What?
I gotta find another way in.
I know the code. 420.
Oh,
Locked it open.
come on. We're safe.
Guys, help us find Tatum.
Put that in the comment section. Where do you think she is?
Comment. Where do you think she's at? What location is
Can you open it? I'm not a power
With the power of our subscribers, they'll help us open the door.
Wait, she's coming.
We need to get out of here. It's gonna take Bianca.
Where's Tatum?
Another ghost. Oh my god, guys, she's dying. She's really dying.
You're medicine ball. One of those buzz balls, bro.
Guys, go down to the description below. Click on the link for our GoFundMe for Bianca Rodriguez Sanchez. She just died right here on this couch.
She'll only come back to life if you subscribe and hit the like button, guys. Hurry up. Let's get those numbers running. You don't want to see our friend.
Wait, something's happening.
You guys, you bro.
Guys, keep hitting the follow button. Keep hitting. Put in the comment section below.
Put Bianca, save Bianca.
If y'all send a flower or a rose, she will come back to life.
Take it off. You're like, oh my god, you guys did it.
Guys,
You did it.
shut up.
There's a guy who actually does it. He's just like, guys, come